Good morning, children. Are you all fine? Well, let's get into today's class. Remember me? I'm your Hindi teacher, but live class teacher is Rehana Miss. You have to attend the Rehana Miss class compulsory, and likewise, you must have to check these videos also. I'm giving only explanation in your in this videos. Only I'm explaining all the class means your class work, homework. These all things are giving in a live class by Rehana Miss. Understand, children? You have to attend the live class and check these videos also. Okay, children? Okay, let's get into today's class. In previous class, I explained Barakhadis, different Barakhadis, and some different Barakhadis I shown there, like Pha, Bha, Cha, Jha. Cha, Jha, easy only. Pha and Bha, Dha, Ra, Sha. These all the Barakhadis I explained in previous class. Okay, in previous video I explained all. Why some difference is there regarding that, not a similarity in that some Barakhadis. Okay, all the Barakhadis are same, but we can see some changes in these Barakhadis. Open your textbook. You can see that page number 23. All the Barakhadis are there. See, we can see some difference between these all the Barakhadis. See, from Ka to Ta, all the Barakhadis are same header, same matra, letter also same, but only changing of Barakhadi pronunciation and letter. Okay, now while seeing this Tha, are you seeing here it is not having full header. Okay, concentrate more on that one, those kind of letters, Tha, especially Tha, Da. See, Tha, Dha, Na, Pa are similar, Pha also, then Pa, Bha. While coming to Bha Barakhadi also, this letter did not have full header. Okay, then coming to Ra Barakhadi, you can see here in Ra Barakhadi, Ra, U ki matra is difference from other Barakhadis. Okay, children, these are the differences I shown in previous class. Okay, coming to the class. In today's class, I am going to explain about 3 letter words. Okay, in previous means in FA1 we already learned 2 letter words. How to make a 2 letter word we learned and we studied, and in exam it is given, you written very well as a matching. It is very easy. If in a 7 exam, if they ask to write the meaning of that one in Hindi to English or Hindi to English, English to Hindi. If they ask to write, you have to write in English. Okay, if they ask to write in Hindi, you have to write the meaning in Hindi also. Okay, children, if you write it, if you practice like this, you will get a word and you will get an identification of the word, and what is the word you can read very easily. In previous classes I told you that long and short vowels are there, identify that, and Swarakshar, Vyanjanakshar, and some Alpapran, Mahapran, these all letters are there. If you read like this, then if you knowing this all the things, you can read any word from your textbook. Understand, children? What I am writing the lesson name, you can identify very easily. Okay, see here what I am writing, how to identify a letter and what is the lesson name, how we are going to know. Okay, here what I am written on the board, what is the letter? Ta. Understand? What is the letter? Ta. Very good. Ta, if you identify. Now we have to identify the Barakhadi of this Ta. Okay, already sound came then. What is the letter we identified? And what is the matra along with the Ta? If you read this matra, if you separate this letter, if you close this letter, if you want to identify only matra, you can identify the matra. Okay, or otherwise you can read Barakhadi also. If you take ta barakadi, okay, ta, ta, ta a ki matra ta, ta, sorry, ta first e ki matra ti, ta second e ki matra ti. No, you got a idea? Now you got a idea? Ti, what is that? Ti, what we are seeing, I did not give the header, I did not completed the header. See, that is the difference in other language and Hindi. Understand, children? While writing a word, first you have to write letters and complete the matra. If that letter having a matra along with that one, you have to write the matra, but don't give the header. Complete all the word, how many letters in that one, how many matras are given, you have to complete that all, then slowly complete the slowly can give the line, means header. Okay, the next afterwards what I am writing here, na. What is that? Na, you can identify by seeing this Atugnya letters, Katugnya letters. Okay, Vyanjanakshara letters I am written here. Okay, to identify that. Okay, what is the letter? If you don't know what you have to do, you have to read from here. Ka varg, ka kha ga gha inya, cha varg, cha cha ja jha ini, then ta varg, ta tha da dha ana, then ta varg, ta tha da dha na, then comes na. Okay, then what is the pronunciation of this? Now complete the line, complete the header, slowly give the header slowly. Okay, teen, it will become teen. Ta, second e ki matra ti. Already this pronunciation came. If you read the Barakadi, you know the pronunciation. You can read any word from your textbook. I told you that in previous class. Okay, ti is given and na is given. Both sounds you have to mix and say the word. Okay, teen means 3. Teen means 3. Okay, see what letter, which letter I am writing on the board. You have to identify that letter to letter. If you identify and join, it will become a word. Okay, children, first ta, and what I am written a. Then next, see what is that? Sha, sha, then ra. Now it is a word. Now you have to read this one. A, sha, ra. Now you can see here also sha and ra. A, sha, ra. Join that. A, sha, ra. Akshar. Okay. Teen akshar. I told you no, don't give the header. Why we are not given the header? Why? Because if we see in Varnamala also, Sha did not have full header. Sha did not have full header. If these kind of letters are coming in middle of the words, how we are going to give full header? That's why we won't have to give any header. First complete all the letters. What is there in the word, you have to write all the letters, and then you have to give give the header slowly. Okay, akshar. Then next, identify this. What is this? Ya, ra, la, va. Va. Va after I am written something there, that is the matra. Matra also. Va, which matra? A ki matra. Va. Va, a ki matra. Va. Va and a, both sounds. Va. Then next, see, lay. Barakhadi. Okay, here also va also having barakhadi. Now la also having barakhadi. Which matra is that one? By seeing that you can say la. Which matra? La, a ki matra la. La, first e ki matra li. La, second e ki matra li. By reading the barakhadi, I told you, no children. See, la, la ki matra la. La, first e ki matra li. La, second e ki matra li. ला फर्स्ट रू की मात्रा लू, ला सेकेंड रू की मात्रा लू, ला रू की मात्रा रू, ला ए की मात्रा ले, ला आई की मात्रा लई, ला ओ की मात्रा लो, ला औ की मात्रा लव, ला अम की मात्रा लम, ला अहा की मात्रा लहा. See, I told you read the Barakhadi compulsory. Then only you know the letter. Here comes now. See, va, then la, ye की मात्रा ले, वाले, दो अक्षर वाले. Join this va and la ye की मात्रा ला ये ले, वाले. Then next sha. Identify first letter sha. What is that? Sha. The next ba, half only. Adha ba, आधा ba. The next da, शब्द. तीन अक्षर वाले शब्द. What is the lesson name? तीन अक्षर वाले शब्द. पाठ दो तीन अक्षर वाले शब्द. Okay, how to make these 3 letter words? Easy. I told you that what is shabd? Shabd means word in English. शब्द means word in English. एक या एक से ज्यादा अक्षरों को शब्द कहते हैं. In Hindi, one letter also it will become word. Means na. Example I told you, no, na. Na means this letter also having meaning. That's why एक या एक से ज्यादा अक्षरों को शब्द कहते हैं in Hindi. Okay, more than one word, one letter means it is a word. Okay. Now here pick some words, but meaningful word it is. Otherwise, meaningless words also there. Some सार्थक शब्द और some निरर्थक शब्द. सार्थक शब्द जो होते हैं उसका मीनिंग होता है, मीन्स उसका अर्थ होता है. मीन्स सार्थक मीन्स a particular meaning, a meaningful word. Okay, then nirarthak means meaningless words. That letter, some letters we written, but a word that did not have a particular meaning. That is okay, children. Now I am writing some words here. Okay, picking from here. See, check it. It will become word or not. Check it once. What I am written here? Ma. See, you can read by seeing this all the chart, Varnamala chart. Pa, pha, power. If you take power, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. What is that? Ma. The next, see, kawal. If you read ka, ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, ga. The next, see, are you checking here, children? Are you seeing here? First I am writing all the letters. First I am writing letters. Then slowly finishing the header. Understand? First you have to write all the letters. Between letter to letter, give little gap. Okay? Give little gap, but don't touch the letter to letter. Understand, children? You have to give little gap between the letters. Okay? Magar. What it will become? Magar. If you read the sound of this, ma. What is that? Ma. Then here ga. Then ra. 3 letters. I told you while writing a word, last letter we have to take as halant. With halant this is. Okay, what you have to say if halant letter is coming, then we have to stop. Only half letter only we have to read there. Magar. That will become magar. And if example I told you that if last letter having the matra along with that one, ra, ar, ri, here it is given ma, ga, and along with this one u ki matra or other one, this one, if it is there you have to take all these sounds of this one. Ma, ga, ri is given, ra, second ki matra, no, magari, ri, okay, gagri, okay, here gagari, ri, like this. Understand? If last letter having the matra, then only you have to say the pronunciation and you have to say the spelling of that one. Or otherwise what you have to do, you have to take as halant letter. You have to stop there. A ki matra, you won't have to pronounce a. This is with the halant. Magara, magar, magar. In English, in Hindi also. In Hindi and in English pronunciation also I am showing here. If you have any doubt, you can check this one and write and practice in your rough book. Understand, children? Then only you are going to learn. Okay, in attend the live class also along with this. Okay, check the video also. Magar, magar means a meaning is there. Magar means crocodile. Magar means crocodile. 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 What is the crocodile? It is a animal. Means it is a wild animal. We can see in the forest. Means in mud. We can see in water. In rivers, in oceans. We can see this crocodile. Okay. It is a very harmful animal. We can see in this zoo also. We can see this animal in the zoo. Sorry. Okay. The next. Magar after next one. Okay. Magar. What is the pronunciation of this? Magar. In Hindi and in English also I am written. Magar means crocodile. The next. You have to see here and identify the letter and join that all the letters. Okay. Ba, ta, ta, kha. See spelling of this in Hindi, in English, sorry. Ba, ta, kha. I told you last what we have to do. We have to take as a halant. We have to take that letter with a halant. What will happen? A sound will go from here. Then what is the word in Hindi? Batak. What is that? Batak. Batak means duck. Batak means duck. This is a bird. Okay. It lives in river. It lives in water and on the land also, like magar. Okay. Batak. What is that? Batak. Batak means duck. Next one. See? Na. I told you no, don't write the header there. That's why. See? 3 letters we join here. Slowly you can give the header here. Na, sha, tra. See? Sha did not have full header. That's why we have to give the gap. No? Miss told us to write this way. You have to. We have to practice this type. This is not correct, children. What you have to do? You won't have to use this much gap. Okay. You have to write near only. That's why I told you little gap. Near only you have to write there. And while giving the header, you have to give slowly that one. Complete that letter with giving slowly header. Slowly. Okay. Header. What is that? Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Spelling of nakshatra. Check it once. Na. See? Na. Sha. Sha. Tra. Tra. No? How we are going to read this one? Nakshatra. Tra. What I told you, last letter with halant means a sound will go there. Now, nakshatra. What is that? Nakshatra. Nakshatra means star. At night time in the sky we can see dazzling stars are there. No? That one. Okay. Countless stars we can see in the sky. And color stars also we can see in the sky. Okay. Then next. See what I am writing. Next letter. What is that? Ka. Next one. Ma. Next. La. In English pronunciation, check it, children. Ka. What is that? Ka. Ma. What are the letters given here? No. If you write in English, easily you can identify what is the letter and what is the pronunciation of the word. La. Kamala. No. What is the spelling become now? Kamala. La. La. A ki matra is there. I told you. Take as halan. Kamal. Now it becomes Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Lotus is a flower. Okay. Lotus is a flower. It grows in mud water. Okay. Especially we can see in mud water, and in your festival, in Dasara festival, we can see color lotuses are available in the market. Okay. We can see pink lotuses, white color lotus. No, this all we can see in the market. Okay. And the lotus stem also useful to us. Some are means North Indians are easy eating that lotus stem. Okay, children. Okay. Afterwards, next one. Kamal means lotus. Okay. Next. What are the letters I am writing? Check it here. Read along with me. Okay. Sa, Ra, Ka. Sadak. Sa, Ra, Ka. This is Ra. I told you. Ta, tha, da, dha, ana after. This one also there. Ada, adha. What are the pronunciation? What is the pronunciation of this one? Ada and adha. Okay. Sa, Ra, Ka. Sadak. Sa, Ra, Ka. Sadaka. Ka. We are not saying a sound na. Sadak. It will become sadak. Sadak means road. Where we are walking in the morning or in the evening, if we are going to market or bazaar or wherever we are going, we can see a road. Always we have to walk on the footpath, and when we are crossing the road, every time we have to cross the road on zebra crossing only. Okay, if we are particularly following this all the rules of the traffic, we can avoid this all kind. We can avoid the accidents what is occurring in the on the roads. Okay, children, don't play middle of the road also. Small children also, they don't know. If the ball goes, they will go on the road and they will take that one. They don't know. Accidents will occur, children. Don't play on the road. Okay, children. Sa, Ra, Ka. Sadak. Sadak means road. Okay. The next one. Now up to here I shown all these letters and this one. No, what you have to do, you must have what I am writing the letter, you have to read and say. This all you have to practice in your rough book 5 times. Okay, children. Ma, ha and la. Mahal. Slowly, I told you that first write all the letters, then give the header. Ma, ha, la. Last what you have to say, what you have to do, a sound you have to cut it. It will become mahal. Mahal. Mahal means palace. See, palace where the kings are living in that one. Okay, children. The next mahal in Hindi and in English I shown what you have to do. You have to read both that one. Understand? By reading in Hindi and in English you can identify the letter and the word. Okay. Read all this. Mahal. Then afterwards, next one. A, cha, la. First word, then only the header. Okay. A. What is the sound? A, cha, la. Last what I told you to do. Last a sound you have to cut it. No, it will become achal. Achal. Achal means mountain. See, Achal means mountain. We are having Everest mountain now in India. That is in our India and the Nepal border. It is there. No, Mount Everest. Which one is the highest mountain in the world? This all kind of questions will come. We can see the mountain through our boundaries. Okay, in our Indian boundaries we can see these mountains. Okay, and some mountains are covered with snow. Some mountains are covered with trees. This all in Ellandu also one mountain is there. Not a big but a small, not huge. A small mountain is there. While traveling traveling to other districts are near to our any other places, if we are going through bus, no, we can see the mountains covered with all the trees, different kinds of trees. Okay children, then afterwards next, what is the letter next? See, check it, read this one. Cha, ma, na in English. Okay, cha, ma, then na. Chamana. See, chamana. Okay. Last a sound you have to cut it. Okay, chaman. Chaman means garden. Okay, chaman means garden, where the small children are playing in that one, and elders are doing exercise. They are doing walking, and they are making rounds and jogging in that one, and small children are playing on seesaw and sliders and swinging there. They are using the rope and they are skipping there. No, that is a garden, and some are relaxing also in that one. Okay, chaman means garden. Okay, next last one. See, a, na, ja. Okay, last one matra kendam. A, na, ja. We can write a, na. Na means a, both a sound and ja. Anaj. What is that? Anaj. Anaj means grain. Okay children, what I taught you, you must have to practice in your rough book. These all the words, write in Hindi and in English meaning also you have to practice, and attend the live class also. Check this video also daily and do the work properly, and be safe at home. Okay, and attend the class compulsory. Okay children, till we meet next time. No, up to that time, bye.